The INC story begins in the last decade of the 20th century. From the beginning, we combined modernity with traditions of the global capital market in order to become one of the leaders in Central and Eastern Europe. For over 20 years, we have been observing the market every day, analysing data and meeting dozens of people to always be sure of the best investments. We are aware of the risks and challenges faced by developing companies operating in a rapidly changing economy. We can manage those risks and turn them into investment opportunities. We are ready to cooperate with managers of portfolio companies to achieve a common success, market success. That is why we are highly appreciated, not only by companies and investors, but also prestigious institutions and the media. Over the years, we have received numerous awards for being a market leader on the Warsaw Stock Exchange, and we are ranked among the leaders according to Home & Market and Forbes magazine. It all results in INC being one of the fastest growing capital groups. In the 90s, we built a municipal bond market in Poland, becoming a leader in consulting for local government units. With our support, Polish territorial units raised more than $900 million in capital using the bond market. In 20 years, we have advised more than 120 companies on their way to becoming listed on the primary and the alternative market of the Warsaw Stock Exchange. With our help, they raised over $375 million. For many years, the INC Group has also been conducting investment activities in collaboration with investment incubators in Poland and abroad. We commit our capital, experience and business relations in order to support the development of startups. We excel at investing in cooperation with incubators, business angels and industry investors. We have created and currently manage Carpathia Capital, a venture capital fund created in response to the needs of small and medium-sized enterprises operating in the region of Central, Eastern and Southern Europe. This company's mission is to promote the development of enterprises through equity investments and to achieve an attractive return on the capital invested by its shareholders. The company is the first fund listed on Aero, an alternative market operated by the Bucharest Stock Exchange. Currently, only the largest local governments use the services of credit rating agencies. We have created INC Rating, which will enable small and medium-sized local governments to obtain an objective and independent opinion on their economic and financial situation. Since 2015, INC Rating has been licensed by ESMA, the European Securities and Markets Authority. In 2015, INC acquired PricewaterhouseCoopers Securities, a brokerage house previously owned by PwC. Now, INC Brokerage House will use INC's 20 years of experience in advising on capital markets to enable a wide range of investors to participate in public and private offerings of dynamic Polish and foreign companies. We are aware that as leader, we should share our experience and passion with others. Therefore, we founded INC East and West. This non-profit company connects business with social responsibility. We support Poles abroad. We host a website about Eastern Europe. We help Polish youth and support talented musicians and artists. Our social projects were presented at the Polish Presidential Palace, the Polish Parliament and diplomatic missions in Vilnius, London and Chicago.
I am part of INC just from the beginning, from the 1995. I am proud of development of the company, of its successes and people contributing to its development. I am professor at University of Economics in Poznań, where I have lectures on international corporate finance and international finance. What about our passions? For all of us and for me, the capital market is our passion.
Capital market is our passion.